Mastering Import Rules for Construction Goods. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be delving into the world of importing goods subject to building and construction materials regulations. If you're involved in the construction industry or planning to import such materials, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the requirements to ensure a smooth and compliant process. So, let's get started. In order to import building and construction materials, there are a few key requirements that you need to be aware of. First and foremost, you'll need to engage the services of a licensed customs broker. A customs broker is an authorized professional who assists in the clearance of goods through customs. They have the knowledge and experience to navigate the intricacies of customs regulations, ensuring your imports comply with all necessary requirements. Another important aspect of importing goods subject to building and construction materials regulations is the need for a customs bond. A customs bond is a type of insurance that guarantees payment of duties, taxes, and other fees to the customs authorities. It serves as a financial safeguard in case of any non-compliance issues or violations. By obtaining a customs bond, you can streamline your import process while ensuring compliance with relevant regulations. Let's now talk about the Importer Security Filing (ISF) requirement. The ISF is mandatory for all shipments entering the United States by vessel. It is a filing that collects information about the cargo being imported, providing vital data to customs authorities for risk assessment. The filing must be submitted at least 24 hours before the vessel's departure to avoid any penalties. It's worth noting that failure to comply with the ISF requirement can result in delays, fines, or even seizure of your goods. Importing building and construction materials also involves understanding the broader context of international trade. Various trade agreements, tariffs, and regulations may apply depending on the country of origin and destination. For example, you might need to consider customs duties, import quotas, or preferential trade agreements that could impact the cost and feasibility of your imports. Staying informed about the latest developments in international trade can help you make well-informed decisions and optimize your import process. Now that we've discussed the key requirements for importing goods subject to building and construction materials regulations, let's take a moment to emphasize the importance of a compliant import process. Ensuring compliance helps you avoid costly penalties, delays, and potential reputational damage. By working with a licensed customs broker, obtaining a customs bond, and fulfilling the ISF requirements, you can simplify your import process and focus on your core business activities. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the requirements for importing goods subject to building and construction materials regulations. We hope you found this information valuable. If you have any questions or would like us to cover specific topics related to customs brokerage, customs bonds, ISF, or international trade, please leave us a comment below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Disclaimer note below. Until next time, happy importing!